Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Erico at Erico 250 Erico Refrigeration 254. My channel will be dealing with the repair and maintenance of all kitchen appliances. I'm a technician by profession. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. I've opened a new channel. I'll be showing case on how to repair fridges, gas cookers, washing machines, and all electrical appliances. I'm based in the capital city, Nairobi, Kenya. That is why my workshop is located. I'm a technician. I'm an engineer by profession. So that is what I do. I do to earn a living. Welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you so many things. How to repair fridges. When your fridge is broken, I'll be showing you how to repair it. I'll also be showing you so many things. You'll learn so many things in this channel. This is an educative channel, because we find so many cases whereby customers call us that their items have problem, but maybe it is a minor problem which they can solve by themselves. So I'll be showing you so many simple things which customer can solve by him or herself without calling a technician. So welcome to my channel. It is called Erico Refrigeration 254. Thank you so much. God bless you.